Dear students, today we're going to discuss chapter 3rd, human reproduction. Okay, so male reproductive system, that is different structure. Primary reproductive organ, that is called testes. Testes is located outside the abdominal cavity as pouch, that is called scrotum. The temperature of the scrotum is below than the normal body temperature, 2 to 2.5 degree, and which help in the formation of spermatogenesis. The size 4 to 5 centimeter length and width 2 to 3 centimeter. That testis containing compartment, that is called testicular lobule. 250 compartment, each compartment containing highly coiled seminiferous tubules 1, 2 to 3. These seminiferous tubules having two type of cell, male germ cell, spermatogonia, and Sertoli cells. Male germ cells help with the formation of spermatogenesis and formation of sperm, and Sertoli cell provide nourishment. Very important. Then outside the seminiferous tubule, that is leading cells, the mass of the cells, leading cell help in the formation of testicular hormone androgens. Very important. Then the accessory ducts, that is reed testis, vas efferentia, vas differens epididymis is very important. This seminiferous tubules open into the vas efferentia to the reed testis. The external opening, that is called urethral meatus. Very important. That is figure of male reproductive system. Very important. Then the glands which help, that three types of glands: seminal vesicle, prostate, and bulbourethral gland. One pair, one and one pair. That help in the formation of seminal plasma, which is rich in the fructose and calcium. Fructose provide motility and energy for the energy. Calcium coagulation of the semen. Bulbourethral gland help in the lubrication of the penis during the time of intercourse. Very important. Female reproductive system, that is ovary, primary reproductive organ 2 to 3 centimeter length and connected to the ligament, and the stroma, that is a cortex and medulla. Fallopian tube, that is oviduct 10 to 12 centimeter, and the three region: infundibulum, ampulla, and isthmus. Ampulla is the region where the fertilization is take place. Infundibulum funnel shape structure. The edge is containing finger like projection called fimbriae, which help in the collection of the ovum during the ovulation. Then infundibulum led to the wider part, that is called ampulla, and a narrow part, that is called isthmus. Very important. There is a three layer in the uterus, that is outer layer perimetrium, which is external and thin, and middle layer, that is called myometrium, and highly thick and glandular, that is called endometrium. Very important. Endometrium undergoes the cyclic change during the menstrual cycle, and myometrium undergoes the contraction during the delivery of the child or parturition. Very important. Next, that is gametogenesis, the process of formation of the gamete, that is called gametogenesis, which takes place in the seminiferous tubules. That is male germ cell, the spermatogonia, undergo the division, mitosis, and this called primary spermatocytes. This primary spermatocyte diploid, spermatogonia also diploid. These primary spermatocytes undergo the first meiotic division and form secondary spermatocytes, and this secondary spermatocyte haploid in cells, secondary spermatocytes, and 23 chromosome. Secondary spermatocytes undergo the second meiotic division and they form the spermatid. The formation of spermatid to spermatozoa, that is called spermiation. And the spermiogenesis, the head of sperm embedded into Sertoli cells and released from the seminiferous tubule, that is called spermiation. Very important, these 2 points: spermatogenesis, spermiation, and spermiogenesis. The hormone that is play a role in the spermatogenesis, that is gonadotropic GnRH, which is secreted from the hypothalamic hormone, which is stimulated from the pituitary, stimulate the pituitary gland secretion of the gonadotropin, that is FSH and LH. Very important. LH act on the leading cells of the testes, help in the formation of the androgens, which help in the formation of spermatogenesis, and the FSH act on the Sertoli cells and stimulate the secretion some factor which is important for the spermiogenesis. Very important. We also discuss the graph like structure. Then the structure of the sperm you have to see, very important. That is head region, neck, middle piece, and tail piece. That head containing haploid nucleus, and the acrosome cap-like structure which containing enzymes which help in the fertilization and dissolve the wall of genopellucida. Middle piece mitochondria, neck containing centriole, and tail containing flagella which help in the motility of the sperm. Very important. 300 million sperm during the one coitus and insemination. 60% sperm normal shape, 40% vigorous motility. Very important. Then the oogenesis start during the time of fetal development, and oogonia, that is mother cells which undergo the division and form primary oocyte. These primary oocytes surrounded by the granulosa cells, that is called primary follicle. There is more thick granulosa layer, that is called secondary follicles. During the time of puberty, the primary follicle are arrested into the prophase meiosis, and next division it is go after the puberty. Very important. And this primary follicle surrounded by more or less secondary follicle, they get mature, and the fluid cavity that is called antrum, that is called tertiary follicle. This antrum present only the tertiary follicle. Very important that primary, then this undergo the tertiary follicle that mature into the Graafian follicle. This Graafian follicle ruptured during time of ovulation and release the ovum. This Graafian follicle secondary from the zona pellucida. Graafian follicle now ruptured and release the secondary oocyte during ovulation. Very important, and you have to see the both the diagram, that is oogenesis and spermatogenesis, and this structure. There is primary follicle, second tertiary follicle, in between there is secondary follicle, mature follicle, Graafian follicle. That the Graafian follicle antrum, and there is ovum. Ovulation 14 days, carpus luteum, degenerate Graafian follicle, carpus luteum. If the pregnancy is maintained, this carpus luteum is maintained and increase the secretion of hormone progesterone. If the menstrual cycle is start, no pregnancy and fertilization, this carpus luteum degenerate and form the carpus albicans. Very important. This is the menstrual cycle. Very important. The menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle 26 to 28 day cycle in the mammalian female primates, apes, gorilla, monkeys, and human beings, female. That is menstrual cycle having three phases mainly. That is a pituitary hormone level, and that is ovarian hormone level. The pituitary hormone level, gonadotropic hormone, that is helping the pituitary hormones secretion of gonadotropin, FSH, and LH. LH reached to the high peak during the 14 days mid of the cycle. Also FSH. This increase the peak of the LH, that is called LH surge, help in the ovulation. So that is first phase, that is menstrual phase, which is endometrium wall degenerate and ruptured blood vessels which is released to the blood, that is called menstrual cycle. The first onset of menstrual cycle called menarche, and pause of the menstrual cycle called menopause, when the pregnancy ovulation does not take place and ovum does not produce at the mid of the age. Then the menstruation, there is a development of the follicular phase, which follicular phase is 5 to 13 days. This development the Graafian follicle, FSH and LH level reach to the increase their level, FSH and LH. Then mature follicle, at the mid of the cycle ovulation is take place. After the ovulation, when fertilization is take place, there is a luteal phase. After the luteal phase, when the pregnancy is done, endometrium wall is thick, progesterone level is high. So luteal phase progesterone is high. If the pregnancy does not take place, then the corpus luteum is degenerate and for corpus albicans. Simultaneously, the follicular phase, similar for proliferative phase, when the follicular development of Graafian follicle simultaneously regenerate the wall of endometrium and the repair 1 to 2 centimeter, 1 to 2 mm thick. And this, if the fertilization is take place, this secretory luteal phase simultaneously a secretory phase 15 to 28 days, that more progesterone level is high, thick, 2 to 3 times is more thickness of the endometrium, which help in the implantation. Very important, all these point is written here. Okay, fertilization, implantation, you know all the fertilization, fusion of male and female gamete and zona pellucida wall attached to the sperm and fuse by acrosome, and fertilization is take place. After the fertilization, the change in the membrane potential of the zona pellucida, which prevent the entry of the additional sperm. Very important, you have to see the structure and that hormones level. Very important. Next, after the first fertilization, that second then zygote is formed. If the in class 10th you have to discuss, we have already discussed that if the sperm containing the Y chromosome and fertilize the ovum, that is a chance of that next baby, that is a boy. If the sperm containing X chromosome and fertilize the ovum, that is child is girl. Okay, the 50% chance to birth of girl and boy child. After the zygote undergo the meiotic division and form the cleavage, and this cleavage undergo then form blastomere. 2 to 4, 8 and 16 cell called blastomere. 8 to 16 cell stage, that is called medulla. Very important. And this medulla undergo the division and form blastocyst. This blastocyst 32 cell, that blastocyst attached to the wall of uterus, endometrium wall, that is called implantation. Blastocyst containing outer layer, that is called trophoblast, and inner cell mass, that is called ICM. Very important. Trophoblast layer then get attached to the endometrium, that is called implantation. Very important. Pregnancy and pregnancy development. Then that trophoblast attached to the wall of endometrium, and that trophoblast called chronic villi, that is finger like projection, and this chronic villi is surrounded by integrated with the uterus that form placenta. Placenta help in the supply of oxygen and nutrient, also removal of the nitrogenous waste and carbon dioxide. Placenta also act as endocrine HCG, HPL, estrogen, progesterone. HCG, HPL and pregnancy relaxin at the later stage only secreted from the placenta. Other hormones also secreted which maintain the growth of the development of the fetus. Very important. You have to see the structure. Okay. Then this ICM, inner cell mass of the embryo, which act as the stem cell having the property to develop most of the organ and tissue of the fetus. This develop ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Okay, that act as the stem cells. When the development of the zygote is take place and the gestation period is done, that is 9 months. So that 1 month pregnancy you have to able to hear the heart sound by the using a stethoscope. That and the end of the second month, that second month pregnancy develop limbs and digits. Very important. By the first trimester, the 12 week, the major organs system are start developing. For example, lips and external genital organs. The first movement of the fetus you have to see, you able to see in that feature appearance and hair growth in the head, that is fifth month. Very important. And the end of the second trimester, 24 week, that hair in the eyelids, eyelashes and eyelids are separated. Very important. Parturition and lactation. Parturition, that is child delivery, is the delivery of the child, that is called parturition. Hormone, that is oxytocin produced during the parturition. And the wall of the myometrium, vigorous contraction. Fetal ejection reflex, that is oxytocin hormones and maternal oxytocin muscles called uterine contraction, which help in the easy delivery of the child, that is called fetal ejection reflex. Lactation, mammary gland start secretion milk, that is called lactation. And colostrum, first day milk, which are highly rich in nutrient and antibody, which is important for the baby, IgA antibody. So revise all the points which is important for your exam. Thank you.